Damn motherfucker. Oh, hi. How are you? Good to see you again. It's always a fucking pleasure. I got some knives in. I got a wild hair on my ass. Not really, Viper Tec. They put out a little flyer and sent me an email that on Labor Day, buy something over, I think, $70 or something like that, and you get a free mini Black Phantom knife. I says, huh, that's pretty fucking cool. So that's what I did. I ended up, getting two, which I'll show here in a minute, separate videos, and the third one that I was looking at, I wasn't quite sure about it. To me, it looked like a stitch, a copy of a stitch. But come to find out, Jeff, one of my subscribers, kindly pointed out. He says, no, it's a clone of the Hogue. This is the EXA05, I think, is what they call it. He says the clone, and I got to looking at this, and I says, I don't know how the fuck I missed it. So I ended up ordering that too. So consequently, I get two free knives. Ain't bad. Let's take a look. So anywho, these are some comparisons I brought out. Ignore those for right now. Get this fucking hat off. It's hot. It's a hot hat. Haha. But anyway, so the first knife. Well, let's take a look at the free one they gave me first. I think this is it. No, that ain't it. It come in a box. Believe it or not, the free one came in a box. Yeah, pretty neat, huh? So I need to adjust this camera. I need to adjust something. I need to adjust my attitude. So anyway, it comes in a box. This is a mini Black Phantom, and it comes in a little pouch, even though it has a reversible clip. So you can change it to either side. Yes. So that's a good thing. You can flip it over if you want. And so it's left-handed, right-handed. Now, I'm not sure about the weight on this, but I will tell you it's 4.5 ounces. The other two, they didn't have a fucking weight on them. I looked everywhere. I couldn't find it, and I don't know what, and I can't find my scale. You know why I can't find my scale? Because I put it someplace where I can remember where I fucking put it. Alright. So, but here it is, and it's really small. And that's a mosquito, and I killed it. But it's really small. It's a small little blade. Yes. And it's pretty fucking cool. So this one I'm going to pass on to Captain Electro. I asked him if he wanted one, since I got two coming and I don't need two. But yeah, and it's got the typical OTF wobble, which is standard. This is a 440 stainless blade. It's 2.75 inches. The handle is zinc aluminum. It's got the reversible clip. The handle overall is 4.25 inches. And of course the weight is 4.5 ounces. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty spiffy. Pretty spiffy indeed. Has 440 right here, nothing blaring, nothing. It's got a good size hand. Here it is against the Trudon, just the regular Trudon. So it's really not that small. If I get it on the thingy, it's not that small. It's pretty fucking, really. And here it is against a mini, which now it's pretty good size. And Spyderco, PM2 or something. That's about the same size as that. Or is that the Delica? I don't fucking know. You know what it is, and that's all that fucking matters. Alright. Well, let's move on. This is that was the free knife that they gave me. So that's cool. Opens and closes with one hand. Yeah. My other one is still hasn't been fulfilled yet. The one that looks like a oh, I had to go in and get some bug spray, so I picked these two of the ones I intended. This is the UTX 70. Ow, and it poked me, but that's okay because I'm looking at the viewfinder and I'm not looking at the whatchamacallit, at the blade. And here's the UTX 85. So this thing, and I put it back. What did I do with it? I'm having one of those days. What the fuck did I do with it? Oh, put it back in the fucking box. Serious. So here it is compared to that. So yeah, it's really not that small. I mean, it could be a lot smaller. So yeah, it's a nifty little knife for free, especially. I think Electro will like it. What I'll probably do is just, you know, when the other one comes in, the one that I haven't finger fucked, leave it brand new and just go ahead and send him that one. That way it's not, he's got a brand new one and hasn't been finger fucked. Hate it when somebody sends me a knife that's been finger fucked. But anyway, back at the ranch. Where were we? So let's look at the first knife that I got. It's not in the box. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. Yeah. Well, let's go with this one. This is the Grunt. Now, they didn't have any damn weights. Like I said, I can't find my fucking scale. But this thing is pretty small. Here it is compared to the Delica, or the whatever the hell this thing is. Yeah, it's a Delica. Here's the one that's here it is next to the Delica, and they're pretty much the same size. So that gives you a general idea. It has a nice lanyard slot right here where you can, you know, you don't have to struggle to get it in. You got some nice little pivot screws. Looks like a, I don't know, looks like something. It's a screw head. So anyway, you got some jimping right in here. Very smooth, very slick. This is they call it Airbus aluminum, like an Airbus. I've never seen a flying bus except on Speed. Is that the name of the movie? Yeah, I think it was. Where they had to go really fast or the bus would explode. D2 Tonto blade, 3.5 inch blade. Overall, it's 8 inches. I got the wrong one. Anyway, strike that. It's 2.5 inch. It's a D2 blade. Overall is 6.25 inches. I got the wrong knife. And it is Airbus aluminum. This one came out to be like 80 bucks. I'm like, okay, but check this out. Yes, that's pretty neat. For 80 bucks. Yeah, I like that. A nice slick blade. Very smooth. D2. It's got a little Viper Tec emblem right here. Very lockup is like super tight. Super tight. It's got a little coating of oil on it. I like the drop point that it has right here. You know, it comes on down. I don't know what that, maybe sheep's foot. I don't know. Who knows? Who cares? Very nice grind. I would say it's a flat all the way down. Got a nice little sharpening choil right here. I wouldn't say it's a finger choil because if you put your finger there, you're going to get cut. But you got a nice choil right here. It's not a overly large knife, but it fits in the hand very well. I'm having a hell of a time getting this thing lined up. Fits in the hand very well. You can open and close it with one hand. Yes, you can. And this jimping right in here aids in that. You can get your finger right there and get yourself some traction. This is pretty fucking neat. You got Viper Tec on the clip. It only goes on one side. Sorry, left-handed people. Anywho, sharpening. Let's see how sharp this thing is. That's how sharp it come out of the box. That's pretty cool. You think it? I think so. That's pretty damn neat. It's a neat little... That's a neat little fidget knife. You know, very small, not too scary, even though it is an automatic. It's not, you know, you open it up, it's not like really scary. Not like super scary. You know, but it feels good. It's 80 bucks. Yeah, I like it. Inside you have a nice little stop, the button stop. You know, it opens up. The insides look really spiffy. Nothing milled. It's all straight, flat, all the way around. Huh. Very cool. Very cool. I like this. This is really neat. For 89 bucks. So yeah. Yeah, I did good. Now, when it came to me, it came in this box along with the two knives I ordered. Then they threw this in the box. So I'm not too sure which one goes where, and I don't really care because I'm not going to put it in there. And you know, and while we're at it, let's take a look at the sharpness test on this whatchamacallit, this Black Phantom. Oops. Looks like that 440 could use a little touch up. Yeah, it is dragging. It's got dragon breath. Yeah, it could, yeah. It could use a little touch up. But it shaves, but that's okay. That's okay. Give Captain Electro something to do. Hopefully the new one, the one that I haven't finger fucked, is a little bit better. Alright, I think we covered everything. We compared it. That doesn't go in there. That goes in there. I think we covered everything. We compared it. We came, we saw. It comes in a spiffy little box. The other one did too. So I don't know. I don't know why they did that, but that's okay. So look here. I'm going to move on to the next video. This is the Jake Hoback Sumo. No, I can't remember. What the hell did I do with the knife? Can't remember either. I've been putting everything. I took the cap off my tea earlier. I put it in there. I took the cap off my tea, and I put it somewhere. I still don't know where I put it. I've been having one of those days. But yeah, here's against the Jake Hoback Summit. I think this is the Summit. Not sure. I can't keep track of all this shit. Jake Hoback. This is a nice knife though. Very nice fidget knife. Very smooth. Yeah, I like this one. Alright, enough of that bullshit. I'm running out of fucking battery. We'll go on to the next one. Bear with me.